This is my first time making this dish. Supposed to be the Beijing beef from Panda Express. So why do you not start from this first? Caleb, you and Daddy take this first.
I'm trying this with a little bit of. Come on. Oh. Seriously.
Okay. And Caleb, no. Just use your fork.
Yeah, that's it.
Is it good? Is it good?
Is it yours or mine?
Is it good? I cannot tell you. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. Okay, eat it. They may not taste the same at all, so I don't know. Okay, if you're ready, then try the next one. If you have a... Which one do you prefer? Okay, and Caleb? Daddy?
I prefer this one.
Yeah, I prefer this.
Which one? You change your mind, Caleb. Which one do you prefer this? Why? Well, you were choosing that one.
Because it's more crunch. Because it's crunchier.
Mm.
And
Yeah.
And then?
It tastes better in
How
general.
about
It's
how about
spicy-
flavor?
spicier?
It's spicier.
I like this because, like Keith said, it's crunchier and spicier, fresher.
Okay, eat the onion, finish up that plate, and then go back to this to taste again to make sure.
Wow, you're eating the onions? Wow.
Oh,
Okay, try the other one again. Just to. You don't like this one? How about this one?
It's good, but I prefer this one.
this one's sweeter.
Yeah,
Mhm.
sweet.
It's a little crunchy, but not.
Yeah,
Which
well,
one? Which one do you think is Panda Express?
This one.
You? Why?
The Beijing beef.
Yeah. You think that's Panda Express? Okay, Daddy.
I think this one is.
Okay. By the time you finish that, and then you will reveal itself at the bottom, and you point it to the. So which one again do you prefer after tasting?
This one. The darker one.
Okay.
Sweet wise, this.
Ooh,
Point it to the.
my,
Caleb, bring it up.
my. I like you.
Caleb, bring it up. The plate, the other plate.
Is that Panda Express as well?
Physical education.
Panda
Eat.
Express.
Okay, both of you hold the plate. Don't let it drip, buddy. Okay, which one is better? Point to your favorite one. Caleb, which one is yours?
This is the one that was over here.
Are you just saying it?
No, I like it. I like
Okay.
it.